How to fix Messenger video call problem. So the first thing that we can do to try to fix this problem is to go to our control center right here. So swipe down at the top right part of your phone, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi connection right here and switch on to cellular data if it is available to see if that is faster and will make your video quality and voice quality better within the Messenger app. Now, if that does not work, we can also go to Safari right here or any browser you have on your phone and let's search for internet speed test. Search that up on Google and let's wait for this page to load and click on run speed test right over here. So what we're going to focus on this one is our download speed and upload speed as well. So that should be like more than 5 Mbps to make sure that video calling or voice calling in Messenger will work properly and avoid some issues while you are within a call. Now, if that is not the case, we can go to our settings right here. Click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and let's search for the Messenger app on this list of apps right here. So tap on Messenger, click on Offload, and click on Offload once again. Now, once it has been offloaded, reinstall the app, and that should clear the cache. And then you can go back to the Messenger app and see if that fixes your problem by trying the call once again. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.